Hello investors, welcome back to another episode. Vertical spreads are possibly the most popular option strategies for seasoned investors, but for new investors they can be very confusing and intimidating. In this video, we'll be going over cheat sheets for the 4 main vertical option spread strategies so you'll have an example to follow when placing your orders. What are the main benefits of vertical spreads? Number 1, limited risk. Number 2, they're very cost effective. Number 3, they're used to play direction. And number 4, they can be used to collect premium. Today's video is a cheat sheet to make sure you set up your vertical options correctly, and as a cheat sheet it will be short and to the point. And if you like my style of teaching and want to see more videos like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. I'll be using real examples from Thinkorswim to demonstrate how to place 4 different vertical spread orders, and if you're using another platform it might look a little different, but the structure is the same. The main thing is to know which options you want to buy and sell when you're putting together your vertical spreads, and I've highlighted everything for you in the cheat sheet that we'll be going over today. All right, now's the time to grab a huge cup of coffee and hang on, because this is not your normal stock channel. First vertical is the bull call spread, and our goal is to profit from a gradual price rise in the underlying stock. And on this one, we want to look to buy the call close to ATM, and ATM stands for at the money. In this example, we're looking at Ford. At the time of this video, it's trading at $25.19. We want to make sure that we're looking at the call section, and then I added the sell and buy. So the bid is the sell, the ask is the buy, and what we're looking to do on this spread is we want to buy the 25.50 at 128. We're going to sell the 26 at 104, and when we select these two options, it puts together the order for us, and Thinkorswim will automatically detect that it's a vertical and it will restate that order. The next thing we want to do is click on send, and when that happens, our order confirmation dialog comes up, and this restates our order, which is very important to double check. And then we want to look at the break-even stock prices. In this case, it's $25.69, so that's not much of an upward movement, so it means we're not risking very much as long as the stock goes up. Our maximum profit on one spread would be $31. Our maximum loss would be $19. Now what I want to do is I want to show you the easy way to put this together, and you simply change spread to vertical. So in the spread section, you're going to click on this in Thinkorswim, change it to vertical, and then all you have to do is click on buy for the 25.50 and 26 vertical. So here we can see the vertical. Simply click on buy and it will put together this exact same order for you. And now I want to close just by showing you a little bit more information on the bull call spread. So here we've got the explanation, the maximum profit, and then we've got the bull call spread strategy. So that's more information for you. And I recommend, if you're new to this, that you pause the screen and go through each of those different parts. Now looking at Thinkorswim Ford, and we'll just go through all of the steps right now. So we can see that the stock is going up very nicely. We recently had a buy signal, and if we wanted to do the exact same spread right now, all we do is come over here, we click on the trade button, and we want to buy the 25.50 and we want to sell the 26. So I'm on an Apple. All I do is click on the buy and then hold the control down and click on the sell, and you're going to notice it's going to change from a single down to a vertical, and boom, it picks it up automatically. So that's the long way. And the nice thing about doing it this way is we can add any of the different strike prices, so they don't have to be one right next to the other. Now let me show you the easy way. So the first thing I want to do is come down here, and I'm going to delete the existing order, and then we want to come up to the spread single, and we want to change this to vertical, and now it packages everything for us together, and we're looking at the 25.50 and the 26. All we do is come over here, click on that buy button, and boom, it puts together that vertical for us. Everything is set up. Our next step is we're going to hit confirm and send, and then you can see that we get the order confirmation dialog box, and this is exactly what we went over before. Great information to look at, and that's all there is to it. Up next, we've got the bear call spread, and our goal on this is to profit from neutral to bearish price action in the underlying stock, and we're looking to sell the call at the money or in the money. On this one, we're looking at PagSeguro Digital, ticker PAGS. It's currently trading at $22.45. We want to make sure that we're on the calls again. Then we've got our sell and our buy. In this case, we're going to buy the $22.50 right here. We're going to sell the $20 strike price. We can see that vertical vertical is put together right here. And then we're going to hit confirm and send, and that's going to bring us up to our order confirmation dialog box. And here we can see our break-even stock price is $22.35. And remember, it's trading at $22.45 right now, so it doesn't have to go down very much, and we're already at break-even. After that, our max profit is $235, and our max loss is $15. So we've got a very good ratio here between our loss and our profit. Love seeing that. And then let's take a look at the easy way. Here we would simply change the spread to vertical right here. Then we would click on sell for the 20 to 22.50 vertical. All we do right now is click on that sell button and we're set. And then you might want to pause the screen for the bear call spread explanation. And let me scroll down so you can review the maximum profit and the bear call spread strategy if you like. Now looking at PAGs in Thinkorswim, and this is one that we just shorted on Friday, and you can see we're already up 3.6% on that. So we go long and we go short, and if you want my trade alerts, check out my Discord down below. So now we want to jump over and set everything up. So we're going to click on the trade button. We're currently in the single. We're going to do this one the easy way. We're going to click on vertical, and we want to sell the 22.50 strike price. All we do is come over here, click on sell, boom, it sets it up for us, and then we're going to double check it with confirm and send. We get our order confirmation dialog box, and here we can see our max profit $235, our max loss $15, and our break-even stock price $22.35. It's that easy to set up. Our third vertical is the bull put spread, and our goal here is to profit from neutral to bullish price action in the underlying stock, and we want to look to sell the put at the money or just OTM, which is outside of the money. And the first thing we notice is we're looking at WFC, which is Wells Fargo. It's currently trading at 58.06. We want to make sure that we're looking at the put section, and here we want to buy the 58 strike price. We want to sell the $59 strike price. Here's the summary of our order, and then here's the spread that we're creating. And now we can scroll down and we can look at the order confirmation dialog box, and we can see that our break-even stock price is $58.44. Our maximum profit is $56. Our maximum loss is $44. And then if we come down here, we can look at the easy way, change that spread to vertical, and I notice I've highlighted 57.58 when I really wanted to highlight 58 and 59. There's a lot going on, so I'll show you the right one over in Thinkorswim. And then we've got our bull put spread explanation, and we'll scroll down so you can pause the screen and read up on the maximum profit and the bull put spread strategy. At Wells Fargo, we can see it's bullish. We just picked up a J5 buy signal. We're going to jump over to trade. Now we want to sell the 58.59. We're currently on the single, so we're going to do this the easy way. We click on vertical. We come over to the put side, and we want to sell the 58.59. We click on it. There it is for us. Click on confirm and send. Double check our order confirmation dialog box, and we're all set. And our fourth and final vertical is the bear put spread. Here our goal is to profit from a gradual price decline in the underlying stock, and we're looking to buy the put in the money. So on this one, we're looking at Pinterest. The ticker is PINS. It's currently trading at $32.83. We want to make sure we're looking at the put section, and here we're going to want to sell the $30 strike price. We're going to want to buy the $31 price. Here we can see everything right down here. There's a spread that we're creating. And then if we look at our order confirmation dialog, it repeats the order. Our break-even price is $30.75. So we've got to go down a little bit, a couple of dollars. Our maximum profit on this is $75. Our maximum loss is $25. And our easy way is going to switch over to the spread vertical. We're going to click on the buy for the 30.31 vertical. So here we see the 30.31. All we want to do is click on buy, and boom, we've got it. And then we've got our bear put spread explanation, and I'll scroll down so you can read the maximum profit and the bear put strategy. Again, I recommend that you pause these because there's a lot of great information here. We're looking at Pinterest, ticker PINS. It's definitely in a downtrend. It just triggered a J5 sell signal, and this is one that I'll consider shorting this week. We jump on over to the trade. We are on the vertical. We go over to the puts, and here we want to buy the 30.31, so we click on buy. Here it shows us our exact order. As always, we're going to click confirm and send, and then we simply double check our information. Our maximum profit $75, our maximum loss $25, our break-even price $30.75. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments section. And if you made it this far, have a wonderful day. Smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow on the next video. Peace.